1947 to 1953 Hyster. Hyster can go outside, but it is 3 wheels, and as you can see, there's some duff, real soft sand there. It's been really wet here, but then it got really dry quickly. Just drag this out of there. That the cameo appearance by the ratchet strap holding the steering wheel. I gotta go shut the winch off. Go in here to the control, pull her into neutral. Oops, that's winch into neutral. That's clutch off. I'll pay out a little cable actually so I can undo the fair lead, but I gotta put the fork truck in neutral so it doesn't roll back into the sand pit. Being a 60 front ends, I gotta put gears in. Let's see. Cable out. Let's cable out. Winch on. Fork truck is not rolling, so that's good. Don't want to bird nest the cables. Cable, that's clutch off, lights off. Put it back in, put it in neutral. Hook this convenient D-ring I welded to the back of this like 30 years ago because it's not the first time that this has retrieved this. So, yeah, it's supposed to be 90 degrees today, so I figured to get this done early. I contemplated trying to pull it out with a 4-wheel drive van, but that seemed a little complex by myself, so yeah. Happy days. I'm gonna go, gotta grab the fork truck, grab those, put them back in the shop, and this was all started by buying some winches. I had the fork truck out. Paul and I had the fork truck out last night to unload some winches that we bought. We need more winches. Got to have more winches. The world is a better place with lots of winches.